Yung 30th anniversary, saan kukunin? Hindi nyo pa sinasagot.
30th anniversary
Yung
po,
gastos nila sa 30th anniversary.
kasama po siya dapat sa COB 2025. But
Saan nga kukunin doon sa pondo na yon?
Anniversary, the board approved the 323 for the stamp.
Saan nga kukunin doon?
323,000.
Doon kukunin sa inyong working budget itong
Okay.
gastos sa anniversary. Doon
Okay.
kukunin.
Mr. Chair, as discussed kagabi sa House, that 323,000 galing sa 2024 extended validity. Yun muna yung in-approve po ng management and ng board.
Magkano yung expected, bigyan ko kayo ng chance naman to explain. Magkano yung expected or projected niyo ng gastos sa anniversary ninyo? Magkano?
Mr. Chair, the initial proposal ay 138 billion proposal.
Initial.
Para saan yun, Mr. Chair?
Anniversary nga, ma'am.
Anniversary po.
Anong anniversary?
Oo.
130 million pang anibersaryo?
Saan nyo kukunin ito?
Anong gagawin nyo? Una, saan kukunin at anong gagawin nyo sa 130 million pang anibersaryo nyo?
Mr. Chair,
Anibersaryo pang bigay ng additional package.
Hindi anniversary celebration, ma'am. Ang tanong ko lang kung saan nyo kukunin ito? Sa part ba ng working budget ninyo kukunin yung 138?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay again proposal pa lang
Proposal. Kaya nga,
Pag
kung matutuloy
na-approve siya
ito,
ng
saan
board,
kukunin?
ay kukunin siya sa corporate operating budget
Sa
sa
part pa rin
admin,
ng working
team
budget
OOA.
ninyo.
Yes
Oh.
po.
Ilang pasyente ang matutulungan yan? Yan, ang pinapakompute ko sa inyo.
Baka naman pag, let's give them the benefit of a doubt, Mr. Chair, anniversary budget, 30 years na sila, 137 million, 138
Opo.
million.
Sabihin mo nga, sir.
Siguro naman, hindi naman yung Christmas party or celebration. Siguro naman hindi biyahe. Siguro naman hindi pagkain ng mga officers. Siguro, ito ay pagpalaganap ng mga package. Di ba po? Ano ba yung 138 million?
Ma'am, Mr. Chair.
Oh, ano ba?
Mr. Chair, sorry.
Pakisagot lang, no?
Yes.
Yung 138 million, saan gagamitin at saan ang gagaling? Tapos balik sa tanong ko na yung 600 billion at 431 billion, hindi pa rin maliwanag kung pareho ba to o iba po.
Mr. Chair, we'll just explain very quickly, just for the purposes of to expedite the discussion. What was approved by the board and what was decided in PhilHealth already is the budget for the 30th anniversary was brought down to a few 100,000 pesos only. So maybe we can just, to clarify everything, there's nothing, there's no hundreds of millions, there's no millions. So just so that we can continue with the discussion, please.
Yun ang tinanong ko kanina at sabi mo, you will explain it later.
Yes.
So nauna nyo pong sinagot yung mga tanong ni Senator Ligarda kaysa sa mga tanong ko na hindi pa rin nasasagot until now. Pakisagot muna.
So just to answer nga very quickly, Mr. Chair, we are only planning to spend a few 100,000 pesos for 30th anniversary. Yan lang po, wala pong mga excessive spending
So ibig
po.
sabihin,
Just to simplify the discussion.
projected pa lang ito.
Actually, may mga proposal,
Proposal.
but
Sandali,
with this,
sandali.
Hindi pa natutuloy.
So good.
Hindi
Thank
pa,
you
hindi
for
pa,
asking
hindi
that.
pa natutuloy.
You're spending a few hundreds of thousands, but we see on the board, it is not consistent with what the CEO is saying. It's 137.7 million. What is this? An invention, a proposal of some brilliant person? Buti na lang, merong nagkontra at may board. Ano ba ito? Gala night. Gala night. And Sports Fest, 32 million and 13 million. Habang ang dami-daming nangangailangan ng healthcare. Anyway, erase na
Yes.
ito. Who's the
Mr.
smart person who
Yeah.
gave this?
Mr. Chair, this was endorsed by a group inside PhilHealth.
Sino yung
So,
grupo? You have to name the group because you have to enlighten that group. Kung hindi po dinis-approve ng board ito at hindi kami nanunood sa inyo, walang oversight function ang Senado, ang Congress,
Mis-
you could have because you're a GOCC. We don't watch you every day.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chair,
Sino
Madam,
po ang brilliant na
It's-
nagbigay nito?
we have an anniversary committee.
Sino po ang head ng anniversary committee?
The anniversary committee po is headed by by Mr. Ray Balenya po.
Yes. Can that person please, not now, don't waste our time, give a memo to the chair of the finance committee of the health committee on why the person and the group thought of using 137 million of PhilHealth funds for giveaways and a gala night.
We will submit, Your Honor. We will submit it within the day to Congress. No?
A sports meet
2 years to the
for
Senate.
32 million and a gala night with PROs, I hope it's at GROs, at 13 million. And a gala night with HOs for another 4 million, blah, blah, blah. And, okay. We don't, and umbrellas for 7.9 million? What's this? Special tokens and umbrellas.
Senator Lauren,
Ma'am,
if
to
I may lang
simplify
po,
the
no?
discussion, all of those.
Kaya nga, projected o plano niya lang po, kaya ang tanong ko lang naman po sa inyo kanina pa, kung sakaling natuloy po ito, ilang pasyente po ang makikinabang dito? Ilang pasyente po ang naghihingalo na matutulungan dito? Ilang buhay pa po ang masasalbar dito?
Yes po.
Kaya sabi ko sa inyo, dito sa ating panggobyerno, parati isipin natin, konsensya.
Back to the 600
Thank you.
billion. Yung mahiwagang 600, kasama ba ho ang 431? Iba pa po. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, that 628.2 billion is the total assets. Kasama po dito ay ang ating investment portfolio po of 489 billion po. And ito po ay composed of the following. Nasa special savings deposit po, Land Bank and DBP, a total of 104 billion. And a big portion of our investment portfolio, 76.70% ay 375.4 billion pesos government securities. And we have the corporate bonds of 10.1 billion pesos, that is 2.07% of the total 489.5 billion po. So dito po nakapasok ang ating investment, and ito po ay available natin na investment siya and convertible into cash. Pangangailangan mo ng korporasyon na magbayad ng benefit payment po natin, ito po yung ating gagamitin po,
Okay.
which is back up doon sa ating reserves. And
628 billion. Cash, ito po yung 49.9, almost 50 billion. Ito po yung nakadeposit sa government institutions, right?
Yes po, ma'am.
Okay. Investment in time deposit, pareho pa rin sa cash and cash equivalents and investment in time deposits,
Opo.
49.9 and 71.5. Tama po?
Opo.
Ano yung cash equivalents? Ano yung 49 kung hindi po time deposit?
Opo.
What are these?
Cash in cash equivalent po, kasama po yung cash in bank, and then the special savings deposit.
Wag tanggalin nga, binabasa ko po eh. I don't wanna see our faces there. Pakilagay po ulit. Sino nagtanggal? Bakit pa tinatanggal? Pag binabasa ko, tinatanggal. Pakibalik. Please naman po. Iniisa-isa ko, tapos tatanggalin.
Ibaba mo na yung bag mo.
Okay po. So, the cash on hand, not in time deposit, is 49.9 and time deposit is 71. Receivables is 112. Receivables from whom? From members? Ano po yung receivables nyo? 112 billion.
Receivables, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, receivables from national government, NGA, of 77 billion.
No, it says here po 112.9 billion. 2024.
Opo, 112 po siya. A breakdown po yung binabasa ko ngayon.
The breakdown. Then
Apa.
say so. Because I cannot read your phone. Sir,
Apa.
pag nagbabasa po ako, iba po yung sinasabi nyo, so I get confused. So,
Opo,
you could kindly say it on the mic because
Apa.
we're recorded.
opo.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
So, of the 112, what's the breakdown, sir?
Receivable from national government, this is 77 billion. Receivable from direct contributors, 52 billion. accrued interest receivable from investment of 6 billion. Of course, this is 130 billion more or less, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda. And allowance for impairment, pinabawas po natin, is 24 billion po. So that's the net of 112.9
Okay,
billion.
ano pong ibang current assets nyo? Very broad ang nakalagay po. Ano yung 1.6? 1.68 billion. Ano po yun na current assets? If it's not cash or time deposits. Water. Can you ask him to bring water? Thank you.
Other
are these
assets, Mr. Chair, part of these other assets are the following, or composed of the following. We have the fines and penalties from ECAs, and then payment recovery, DCPM, amounting to 1.6 billion pesos po. Payment recovery, ibig sabihin from the DCPM that we advances to the hospital na recover na po natin. And of course, kasama din po dito, compromise penalty of hospital amounting to 24 million pesos. Yun po.
The non-current assets, investment in securities at amortized cost. That's laki.
Opo.
Okay? Ano po? Paliwanag nyo sa amin.
Ito po ang ating government securities po. So this government securities nasa Bureau of Treasury po natin siya. Treasury bill of 28 billion and 232.2 billion for Treasury bond, Mr. Chair.
Okay. How about, of course, as property equipment, we understand that the investment property, what is that? What is the 855 million investment property?
Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, this investment property are lupa nasa BGC. At Madam Chair, ang isa pang lupa ay nasa Quezon City.
What, why did you purchase the property? What is it going to be used for? Does it have income? Or is it a vacant lot?
The property, Madam Chair, sa Quezon City ay para sa head office ng korporasyon.
You're using it as a head office.
Yes, we will be using for...
You're building on the vacant lot.
Yes po, magbibuild pa lang po si PhilHealth. Inaasikaso po
You
yung...
are only renting your offices now.
Yes po.
And you are building in Quezon City.
Yes po.
How about the BGC
Sa
property?
the BGC property naman po, Mr. Chair, Honorable Ligarda, this is in payment to the premium contribution ng PhilHealth. So instead of utang nila, babayar ng cash, property ang binigay kay PhilHealth.
Sino po ang nagbayad sa inyo ng property instead of premium? Instead of cash?
Mr. Chair, ito po ay from SSS. Mr. Chair, Madam Honorable Ligarda po.
Instead of SSS paying you in cash, they paid you with the property?
Yes po.
What year
Mr.
was
Chair.
that? And what
This
was
is the transfer of Medicare SSS to PhilHealth after the enactment of Republic Act 7875 po.
So it increased in value
Yes po.
because that was long ago.
Yes po.
Okay. How about property and equipment?
Property and equipment,
Kasi investment property, that was real estate.